Hi guys, today we are going to do a apple dessert. So let's go. You need nuts, grapes, cinnamon, flour, kitchen tray, knife, milk, and sugar. First of all, we are going to do a crème for the end. I already have done the crème because it was really long to do. So I mixed milk, sugar, and flour. 2 teaspoons of flour, 1 glass of sugar, and one more glass for milk. I forgot to say to you, but you are warming it up before mixing. Mix, and it needs to be like that. We are cutting the apple little. We are mixing grapes with nuts and with cinnamon, and our dessert is done. Now we are adding the nuts. We are adding the grapes. Adding the crème. Oh my god. I can't. We see that it's made by me. I mixed, and now we are adding little bit cinnamon. Now we are going to see if it's good or not. Oh my god! It's so good! I love it so much. Try it at home. Oh my god, try it! I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, like, comment, follow. This video is for my class, so I hope you will try this recipe at home. Love you. Bye.